Hello, I am Vijay, the founder of Blogic. Welcome to Blogic website. It allows you to convert your Notion database into a beautiful blogs and websites. It takes less than a minute to set up and manage your website without leaving the Notion. Once you have given the beta access, open the register link and then fill the form. Once you fill the form, click on register. And on the dashboard, for the first step, click on the duplicate Notion template. Once the Notion template is open, click on duplicate button on the top right corner so that it duplicates to your Notion's workspace. After duplicating it, go back to the Blogic dashboard, click on open notion.so. This step authorizes the Blogic to access the page that you duplicated. Click on select pages, select the template that you duplicated, and then click on allow access button. Once the access is given, click on the drop down menu, select Blogic example site, hit save and finish. Once you hit save and finish, you can click here to open your website. And now you have successfully created a website, and this content loads from the Notion's database. It has a home page, a blog, contact us page, and also some footer links. So the blog, you can see all the blog posts displayed here. You can click on each blog post, which actually loads the content again from the Notion's database.